Good day once again. Welcome to the session of our channel learning area. Today we have a question that says we should find x, y, and z. So find x, y, and z, and we're given these parameters: a line ALB and line CD, line AB and line CD, and we're given this triangle LMN. This is the triangle LNM. LMN within these particular lines, and AB are parallel. We can see it from the arrow showing that AB, they are parallel. They may use an arrow or use something of this nature to tell you that they are parallel. Whether you see it, once you see it in two lines, they tell you that those lines have something in common. So they may either be parallel or they may be equal. It depends on the context with which they use those particular parameters. So we're asked to find line X, we have to find angle XYZ. Now, how do we find angle XYZ? If you look at a triangle, has three sides and three angles, and the three angles in the triangle forms what? 180 degrees. Automatically, we have this triangle LMN. So we say in or from triangle LMN, comma, this angle, we're now considering this triangle. Let me use the red marker to show the triangle we are considering. This triangle, don't mind my rough drawing. We're considering this triangle now. So this is our triangle LMN. That's our triangle. If we go back, we have LMN, LNM. So we're considering this triangle. Now, this angle plus this angle plus this angle gives 180 degrees, which is the sum of the angles in the triangle. So which angle is here? Angle L. So have it as angle L plus, this is what we use to denote angle. The next is what? Angle M plus angle what? N gives us what? 180 degrees. We can say the sum of angles in a triangle. I use short form with mathematics to denote angles, which is angle with S, and triangle, which is showing the sign or the diagram of a triangle. So what is angle M? Angle L. Angle L is what? Y. So we have it as Y plus, what's angle M? 105 degrees plus what's angle N? 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So what is 105 plus 60 degrees? We have it as 165 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So at this point, what do? We collect like terms because we want to make y such as the formula here. This 1 plus 165 comes here, becomes what? Minus 165. Remember, this 180 was here initially, so we don't have to push it. We'll write this 180 back, then this plus 165 coming here becomes what? Minus 165. So what is 180 minus 165? We have it as 15 degrees. So we've gotten our y. So automatically our y here is 15 degrees. So the next is to get our x and our z. And we know that on this particular line, when you add angle x, angle y plus angle z, you have what? 180 degrees, which is the sum of the angles on a straight line. When you have a straight line of this nature, now the angles on the straight line here gives what? 180 degrees, and here also gives what? 180 degrees. So both of them make up the angle at a point, which is what? 360 degrees. But now we are considering the angle on a straight line. But we cannot use that approach because we have x that is not known and z that is not known. So we have to use another approach. And since these two lines are parallel, what you should be looking for when you see two parallel lines is alternate angles. Whenever you see two parallel lines in a question, what you should be looking for is where will I get the alternate angles. And how do you get alternate angles? When a line cuts these two parallel lines, no matter the orientation of the line, the angles becomes alternate. So if here is A, that means here must be equal to A. And if here is B, that means here must be equal to B. They are called alternate angles. And in mathematics, we say alternate angles are equal. So if you look at this, line LM cuts this line AB and CD, at point L and point M. So if we are to consider line LM, let me use something of this nature. We are considering this line LM now. That means our angle X here through line LM is equal to what? Angle 105 degrees. Now let me just bring it out. We have our AB and we have our CD, and we have this our L and M, and we have here as what? 105 degrees. So automatically our S is equal to what? 105 degrees, which is alternate angles. But we have to show our workings. So we show our workings. The next is we say that since line AB and line CD are parallel lines, say since this is the symbol for line AB and line CD are parallel, comma, and line LM cuts through. LM cuts through. Now, why am I writing this explanation? So that the person that is marking it will be able to flow with your calculation and understand your calculation. So when the person reads it, that since line A, B, and C they are parallel, the person knows that okay, you know what you are doing. And line LM, the person will be able to locate line LM that it cuts through. Therefore, angle ALM. Now, how do I get ALM? I'm considering angle L, but I cannot say angle L alone because I've already used it in that particular triangle. So I have to tell the person where the L I'm considering is. X is angle L, Y is angle L, Z is angle L. But which one are you talking about? That is why we have to put the other 2 points of the triangle. So angle ALM gives us X. Then if you want to get Z, it becomes what? BLN. You see it? They want to get Y, it becomes what? MLN. They are all angle L, but the orientation differs. So you have to specify the orientation of the particular angle. So we have ALM. Therefore, ALM, which is angle S, is alternate to what? How will I be able to locate 105? 105 is at angle M. So I'll use DML. So that gives us 105. Now, if you don't understand it, you check at other videos where we explain something of this nature. When we solve triangles, you'll be able to understand it fully because we're able to break it down how we locate these particular points and sides or angles and sides in a triangle. So you just check out our playlist on triangles and you'll be able to see different ways in which we solve different questions. And before you watch 2 or 3 or 4 of them, you'll be able to understand fully how they are being done. So therefore, ALM is alternate to angles what? DML. So what it means is this implies that X is alternate to 105 degrees. You can put alternate angles equal in bracket so that you'll be able to explain fully to the examiner or to the person marking it, so the person will be able to know this person knows what is actually doing. So alternate angles are equal. That means X is equal to 105. So if you say alternate angles are equal, what will be our Z? Z is alternate to what? 60 degrees. So you see it, Z is also equal to 60 degrees. We can now do the same thing, that since AB and CD are parallel lines and LN, this will now become LN because we're now considering this line here, this third line here, and which is LN. So and LN cuts through, therefore BLN is alternate to what? CNL. Now somebody will ask me, why am I not using MNL? Because we are not considering this particular triangle. What are we considering? Yes, we are considering the two lines. So we use the points on the line. We use C and we use D, we use A and we use B. We don't use the M, N, L. It's still going to work although, but since we are considering the lines, you have to give preference to the lines. C, N, L. So, which means that our Z is equal to what? Alternate angles are equal 60 degrees. So this means our y is equal to what? 15 degrees. Our, or rather, yes, y is equal to 15 degrees. Our s is equal to what? 105 degrees. And our z is equal to what? 60 degrees. If you want to be sure that you actually got it correctly, you can use angle on a straight line to check it. That means x plus y plus z gives you what? 180 degrees. So we have x plus y plus z must surely gives us 180 degrees angles on the straight line. So what is x? 105. What is y? 15. What is z? 60. Do they give us 180 degrees? Yes, they do. So that's how we're able to solve x, y, and z. If you want to get more examples, you can check out our playlist on triangles, and you see where we solve more examples involving angles and sides, where we applied SOHCAHTOA, we applied the trig ratio, which is SOHCAHTOA, we applied the Pythagoras theorem, we applied the cosine rule and the sine rule, and we're able to explain why we applied these rules in these particular questions. That is one thing that makes students fail, because they don't know which to apply to which particular question. And it's very easy. Once you see a question, you should know which to apply. That's if you already know the particular principle behind what to apply in that particular question. So when you see a question, which term should you apply, which formula should you apply? If you want to know, check out our video on triangle. So when you see a question on triangle, it will be very easy for you. So thank you very much. Do subscribe, click the notification button, so when we post a new video, you'll be able to receive it. And if you have a question on triangles, you can hit us up on our WhatsApp number 08137168971. It is on the description, as well as our Facebook page, Online Learning NG. The link is in the description also. So you can hit us up, give us your question. This question is actually asked by a student, and we made a video for that student. I believe you are watching the video right now. So you too, if you are getting any question difficult, you can ask us the question and we'll make a video for you. So introduce this channel to your friends, as well as your classmates and your course mates and the rest, so they too will be able to learn. We have made learning easy. So thank you very much, and do have a lovely day.